The Ford Mustang. Just saying the name sends chills down the spine of any car enthusiast. This car is a legend. It's an icon. It represents freedom, power, and American muscle. Since 1964, the Mustang has captured our hearts. The Mustang's impact goes beyond just being a car. It's a cultural phenomenon. Movies, music, and art all feature this iconic machine. The Mustang is a symbol of the American spirit. It is a dream car for people all over the world. The Mustang's roar is unmistakable, its lines are timeless, and its spirit is unbreakable. From the first generation to the latest models, the Mustang continues to evolve. But one thing remains constant, its ability to ignite passion in anyone who gets behind the wheel. The Mustang is more than just a car, it's an experience, it's a feeling, and it's a legacy that will continue to inspire for generations to come. In the 1960s, Carroll Shelby took the Ford Mustang and turned it into a beast. He created the Shelby GT350, a car built for racing. It dominated the track and became a legend. But the legend didn't stop there. Ford brought back the Shelby GT350 in 2015. This wasn't just a nostalgic throwback. This was a completely modern take on a classic. The new GT350 was designed to take on the best sports cars in the world, and it did just that. With a roaring V8 engine and razor-sharp handling, the GT350 was a revelation. It wasn't just about raw power, this car was precise and balanced. It could carve corners with the best of them. The Shelby GT350 wasn't just a car, it was a statement. It showed that Ford was serious about performance, and it reminded the world that the Mustang was still a force to be reckoned with. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us bring you more great content. Thank you. Now let's dive into the evolution of the Shelby GT350's design. From the moment Carroll Shelby laid his hands on the first Mustang, the GT350's design has been a blend of function and style. The original GT350 was a no-nonsense racer, stripped of unnecessary weight and equipped with performance-enhancing features. It had a raw, aggressive look that matched its track-focused personality. Fast forward to 2015, and the new GT350 took those core principles and elevated them to new heights. The modern GT350 boasts aerodynamic enhancements, like a redesigned front splitter and rear spoiler, which aren't just for show. They help keep the car planted at high speeds. The wide fenders and aggressive stance give it a muscular, purposeful look that screams performance. Inside, the GT350 is all about the driver. The cockpit is designed to keep you connected to the car, with Recaro seats that hug you during spirited drives, and a flat-bottomed steering wheel that feels perfect in your hands. The materials are a mix of luxury and sport, with high-quality finishes that make every drive feel special. The evolution of the Shelby GT350's design is a testament to Ford's commitment to blending heritage with innovation. It's not just a car that looks good, it's a car that performs exceptionally well, with every detail crafted to enhance the driving experience. Now, let's take a closer look at what makes the GT350's performance so extraordinary. Under the hood of the Shelby GT350 beats the heart of a monster. It's not just any V8, it's a 5.2-liter flat-plane crank engine. This unique design allows for higher revs and incredible responsiveness. The result? 526 horsepower that screams with a fury unlike anything else on the road. But the GT350 is more than just brute force. This car handles like a dream. It's nimble, agile, and precise. The suspension is tuned to perfection, keeping the car glued to the road even in the tightest corners. The brakes are equally impressive, providing immense stopping power when you need it most. Every aspect of the GT350's performance is designed to work in harmony. This creates a driving experience that is both exhilarating and rewarding. Whether you're on the track or just cruising on a back road, the Shelby GT350 delivers an unforgettable experience. It's a car that makes you feel alive, connected to the road, and in complete control. Section 4. Track-Focused Fury. The GT350R. If the Shelby GT350 is a wolf in sheep's clothing, the GT350R is a wild animal unleashed. This is a track-focused weapon, designed to dominate any circuit it encounters. The R stands for radical, and it lives up to its name. Ford engineers stripped away everything that wasn't essential for performance in the GT350R. It has less weight, more downforce, and even stickier tires. The result is a car that's faster, sharper, and even more capable on the track. One look at the GT350R tells you it's something special. The massive carbon fiber rear wing isn't just for show. It provides real downforce, helping the car hug the road at high speeds. The GT350R is not for the faint of heart. It's a car that demands respect and rewards skilled drivers with an adrenaline rush unlike anything else. It's a true testament to Ford's racing heritage and a shining example of what a performance car can be. Section 5. A lasting legacy. The impact of the Shelby GT350. The Shelby GT350 and GT350R have left their mark on the automotive world. These cars reignited the passion for high-performance Mustangs. They showed that Ford could still build a car that could compete with the best from Europe and Japan. But more importantly, they reminded us what it means to build a driver's car. These cars are not about numbers or technology. They're about the feeling you get behind the wheel. They're about the connection between man and machine. The legacy of the Shelby GT350 is secure. These cars will forever be remembered as some of the greatest Mustangs ever built, and their influence can be felt in the Mustangs that have followed, pushing the boundaries of performance and excitement. The GT350 and GT350R are modern classics, destined to be treasured by collectors and enthusiasts for years to come. They represent the pinnacle of Mustang performance, and their impact on automotive culture will continue to be felt for generations. Section 6. Conclusion. The thrill continues. The roar of the engine, the wind in your hair, the feeling of the car gripping the road as you push it to the limit. These are the sensations that make the Shelby GT350 and GT350R so special. These cars are more than just machines. They are experiences, they are emotions. They are a reminder that driving can be so much more than just getting from point A to point B. The Shelby GT350 and GT350R are a testament to the power of passion, engineering, and the pursuit of automotive excellence. They are cars that ignite the soul and leave a lasting impression on anyone fortunate enough to experience them. So the next time you hear that unmistakable V8 rumble, take a moment to appreciate the legacy of the Shelby GT350. These cars are a celebration of everything that makes driving great, and their spirit will continue to inspire us for years to come.